Are you looking for a Japanese restaurant inside Okada, Manila na klase yung ambience but still worth trying? Recently, we dined at Enbu Japanese Restaurant and super dali lang mag-book ng table for 4 through their website. Pagpasok pa lang, mafe-feel mo na agad yung elegance and relaxing vibe ng place. Mukha siyang expensive at first pero napansin namin na halos same lang din naman yung prices compared sa ibang ramen restaurants. For my order, I chose the ramen and donbori set for 990 pesos. Pinili ko yung shoyu ramen and pork katsu. Kasama na rin yung pickles, salad, and orange slices. Honestly, sulit siya for me because masarap and nakakabusog talaga. My husband naman ordered another donbori set with chicken katsu for 900 pesos. Same din, may kasamang miso soup, pickles, salad, and orange slices. For sharing, we ordered their sushi set for 1,450 pesos. It comes with nigiri, dragon roll, tempura, miso soup, and salad. So, okay siya if gusto nyo makatikim ng iba't ibang dishes. We also tried their kushiyaki plate with 10 pieces for 1,200. Chef selection siya of grilled beef, pork, chicken, seafood, and seasonal vegetables. My sister ordered the pepper tonkatsu ramen for 650 pesos. It has creamy pork bone broth, sashu, egg, fish cake, and bamboo shoots. My son naman chose the tendon for 610 pesos. It has prawn, white fish, vegetable, tempura, and rice. Besides the service, what made the experience extra special was when they gave us a complimentary strawberry cake after knowing na we were celebrating my son's graduation. Super na-enjoy namin yung cake, especially the strawberry flavor. Overall, we had a really nice dining experience here and babalik talaga kami next time to try more dishes from their menu.